Hey everyone, I would like to demo an AI voice agent I built over the weekend for HVAC companies. Anyone looking for help or any of the HVAC companies looking for an exact same setup, please let me know.
Thanks for calling Blue Ridge Heating and Cooling. This is Sarah. How can I help you?
Hi Sarah, this is John. How are you doing today?
Hey, John. I'm doing well, thanks. What can I do for you today?
I have an issue with my AC. It stopped working this morning.
Oh no, that's frustrating. Okay, tell me what's going on with it. What are you noticing?
It's not blowing cold air. It's just warm air.
Got it. So it's running, but just blowing warm air instead of cold. All
That's
right.
correct.
What kind of system do you have? Is it a central AC unit, a heat pump, or something else?
It's a central AC unit.
Okay, central AC. And roughly, how old is the system? Is it pretty new, maybe years, or older than that?
It's about 4 years old.
Okay, so pretty recent then. And how warm is it in your house right now? Is it getting uncomfortable or just starting to warm up?
It's about 80 degrees now.
All right, so it's getting pretty warm. Let me get your address so we can get someone out to you. What's the full street address?
258 Sussex Drive, Martinsburg, West
Okay,
Virginia.
got it. So that's 258 Sussex Drive in Martinsburg, is that right?
That's correct.
Perfect. And what's the best phone number to reach you, in case the tech needs to call ahead?
It's 408-252-2212.
Let me make sure I have that right. That's 408-252-2212. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. And have we been out to your place before, or is this your first time calling us?
This is the first time.
Okay, great. So it's about 80 degrees in there right now. I can get someone out to you today, probably within 2 to 4 hours. Does that work for you?
That would be perfect.
All right, John. Sorry about that. Okay, so just to confirm, we've got you scheduled. We'll have a tech out to 258 Sussex Drive in Martinsburg today within the next 2 to 4 hours for your AC that's blowing warm air. You'll get a text confirmation in just a minute, and the tech will give you a call about 30 minutes before they head your way. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I'm good, thank you so much.